Every 7 seconds, a worker gets injured in the US. That's a staggering statistic. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence is about to change everything? By the end of this video, you'll see how your workplace is getting a full-on sci-fi makeover. Stick around, because the trends we're covering today are transforming safety as we know it. And trend number 5 will absolutely blow your mind. First up, AI and predictive monitoring are officially everywhere. We're not talking about simple security cameras anymore. Companies are now using advanced AI cameras to catch unsafe behaviors in real time. Think of it as a digital safety officer that never blinks. We've all seen those viral TikToks of AI flagging workers who forgot their helmets, but it gets even crazier. Predictive analytics can now forecast accidents before they even happen by analyzing patterns in data. In fact, companies using this tech are reporting up to 72% fewer incidents. It's like having a crystal ball for workplace safety. The data doesn't lie. AI can predict accidents with an accuracy that humans just can't match. Next, and this is a huge one, mental health is finally getting the serious attention it deserves. For too long, it's been the silent killer at work. Now, even OSHA is pushing for mental wellness to be a core part of every company's safety program. We're seeing a real shift in workplace culture. The backlash against quiet quitting and burnout has led to tangible policy changes. One of the hottest topics right now is companies offering mental health days as a standard benefit, no questions asked. This isn't just about feeling good. It's about preventing burnout, reducing stress-related errors, and creating a truly supportive environment. Let me know in the comments. Do you think mental health days should be mandatory for all employers? Alright, let's talk about the heat, because things are getting intense. With heat-related worker deaths up a shocking 95% in the last decade, regulators are finally taking action. OSHA is currently developing its first-ever national heat illness prevention rule. This is a game-changer. For millions of people who work outdoors in construction, agriculture, or logistics, this could literally be a lifesaver. We're talking about mandatory water, shade, and rest breaks becoming law. Some states are already implementing rules like a required 10-minute cool-down break every 2 hours when temperatures soar. This isn't just a recommendation anymore. It's becoming a legal requirement to protect over 32 million workers from a very real and growing danger. Now, for the part that feels like it's straight out of a Marvel movie. Smart PPE is getting seriously cool. Forget clunky, uncomfortable gear. We're talking about connected helmets that can automatically alert nearby forklift drivers to your presence. We're talking about work boots with built-in sensors that detect signs of fatigue and can help prevent a fall before it happens. The tech is incredible. There are smartwatches that detect falls and automatically call for help. Augmented reality glasses that overlay hazard zones right in your line of sight. And even self-heating jackets for those working in extreme cold. This isn't just personal protective equipment anymore. It's life-saving wearable tech. And finally, the trend that's causing a stir everywhere. The new battleground for safety is your home office. Yes, you heard that right. With the massive shift to remote work, OSHA has clarified that employers are still responsible for ensuring a safe work environment, even if that environment is your kitchen table. This has led to some pretty controversial discussions. Who pays for an ergonomic chair or a proper desk setup? Can an inspector really check your home office? While a full-blown inspection is rare, companies are now creating policies and providing resources to prevent at-home injuries like carpal tunnel or back strain. So, tag a coworker who's still working from their couch. They need to see this. So, what does this all mean for you? It means the future of work is safer, smarter, and more in tune with our well-being. From AI watchdogs and mandatory heat breaks to sci-fi safety gear and ergonomic home offices, the world of workplace safety is evolving at lightning speed. It's a reminder that safety isn't expensive, it's priceless. Which of these trends surprised you the most? Drop a number from 1 to 5 in the comments below and let's talk about it. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on safety tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching.